name is Gary van Vuuren, and I will be your lecturer for this masterclass course on financial mathematics using Excel. By quick way of introduction, I have a background in physics originally, and then I changed to finance, and I have worked for retail and investment banks, asset managers, rating agencies, and consultancies, both in South Africa and in the UK for 20 years and 25 years over the span of my career in finance. As I said, so I will be your lecturer, and we will be covering using Excel as the platform, not R and Python and MATLAB. I do understand that most people, well, not most, but a lot of people use these platforms nowadays. I far prefer to use Excel. It's not the ideal system, but it is ideal for teaching and just the different techniques involved. So techniques, for example, involving constructing a yield curve or constructing a variance covariance matrix or decomposing risk for value at risk or estimating expected shortfall. Extracting cycles from noise of GDP data, for example, if you suspect some sort of cycle, there are techniques which you can use in Excel and other platforms, but we'll be using Excel to extract out the frequency of those cycles. And then you can extract the noise and you can distinguish between what's noise and what's actual cycle. These things are all eminently doable in Excel, which is what I'll be using. And there'll be plenty of practical examples, and I will certainly be giving out some of my Excel files as well. The people that will benefit from this are people in the modeling sections of banks, certainly people in risk management, which is the bulk of my background, so credit market operational liquidity, anyone involved. Sort of also, we will also be covering techniques in asset management, and also people in compliance will also benefit from this course.